Hey, what's up? This is part 3. So as you can see, I bought a sock. It's a 10-foot sock here. This is what it basically looks like there. This prevents clogging and stuff like that. And then I bought more bags because I'm going to fill the top. I'm going to try to fill the top level with that. I also bought one of these things here, so when it pops up, the water will come out of this. It's got a little pop there. Now I need to dig more here. So I just wanted to show you. So this is basically part 3 of the video. I've got these nice rocks. What I bought was some pea pebbles. Those rocks down there, they're called pea pebbles that are right there. Right there. These here, these brown rocks are all-purpose stone. And now I'm going to put some marble chips on the very end. So just want to give you a heads up, part 3 of a French drain.